everyone, this is Lydia from Henan Feed Machinery Manufacture Company. Today I'm going to introduce our 1 time per hour 2-screw fish feed extruder testing videos and dryers and cooler machine. As you can see, this production line we will use a mixer on the upstairs, and then through the mixer, after mixing all the raw materials, the materials will flow down the extruder, fish feed extruder. This extruder is for twin screw extruder. It can make different size fish feed, especially also can make the small fish feed like 0.5 mm or 0.6 mm, something like that. And after the fish feed extruder, we'll use a belt conveyor convey the finished products to the next process is the dryer. As you can see, this is the dryer machine, and we will use a steam boiler to make the steam, to supply the steam of the dryers and the extruder. And this is our dryer, because we will add some water into the fish feed extruder as the raw materials. So we need to dry the fish feed to reduce the moisture, in under the like 10%. So this is the dryer, and after drying the feed, we will use a cooling machine to cool down the fish feed, because after dryers the feed still have some temperature. We need to reduce the temperature, and after the cooler machine we will get the finished products. If we use a whole set production line, we will also use the automatic packing, something like that. So if you want to learn more about the whole set production line, please contact my WhatsApp or email, or view our YouTube, or you can contact me directly.